I wanted to share this recipe with you, this cake I made yesterday. Have a look at it. The texture. Really, really delicious, soft and moist. Absolutely beautiful. I put banana, orange peels, diced prunes, dates, and I made it with I put some orange, the juice of the orange zest that I used that. I put 2 eggs. I put almond flour, a little bit of baking powder. Absolutely, I can't tell you how delicious and moist, and butter. Just beautiful. And some carrots. I put 2 grated carrots in there. This recipe, I created it yesterday, just out of what I had and just added to what I wanted there. And I put, this is great for people, but I made it for my husband who's a diabetic. So he can't have sugar, and I can't even put honey because it's really, really too sweet, because I've already got the sweetness of the prunes and the dates. So I added rice malt instead. Absolutely delicious. And I put butter to keep it moist. And this is today's. Yesterday's was beautiful. And I put some walnuts, crumbled some walnuts in it. Absolutely delicious.